Welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Contractor in Canacona building collapse case, Vishwas Desai surrenders. Work halted after 9 days. Main culprit builder still at large. Police arrest security guard accused of 10-year-old girl's rape at Vasco. Arrest after massive manhunt at Bogmalo. Acquitted accused in Madgaon blast case, alleged false implication and torture by Goa police will move to High Court for compensation. Anti-narcotics cell arrest a Portuguese national with various drugs worth 15 lakh rupees. And Abidal Shabana and Balwant Singh score as Churchill brothers get off to winning start in Federation Cup. Now news in detail. The accused contractor in the building collapse case, Vishwas Desai, surrendered before police on Tuesday morning. The chief officer and deputy collector Prashant Shirodkar was arrested on Monday night. Meanwhile, the clearing mission at Saudi Canacona has been paused for now. However, even after 12 days, the builder is still at large.
The contractor of the collapsed building, Vishwas Desai, finally surrendered before the police on Tuesday. The Madgaon court on Monday had rejected Vishwas Desai's anticipatory bail plea. Canacona police will produce Vishwas before the court for a remand. The deputy collector and municipal chief officer of Canacona, Prashant Shirodkar, was arrested on Monday night. He has been accused of a goof-up in issuance of occupancy certificates to the building. Incident resulted in 32 deaths of innocent labourers. Shirodkar was produced for remand in Madgaon court on Tuesday afternoon. Municipal engineer and deputy town planner of Canacona have been arrested earlier. The district collector on Tuesday officially declared the clearing mission as closed.
आज आम्ही ते रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन सगळे चेक केले, स्टेटस घातले. तुम्ही पळयला ते रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन आम्ही आज कॉल ऑफ करतात. आजपासून आमकां ह्या डेब्रिसांतल्यान ह्या मिशेपांतल्यान 31 डेड बॉडीज आमी रिट्रीव केल्यो.
UTA will hold a condolence meeting on 18th January to mourn the deaths of innocent labourers.
या महिन्याच्या शनिवाराक 8 तारखेक सकाळचे गांवडोंगरे हांगा एक शोक सभा आयोजित केल्ली आसा. आमच्या मतानुसार ते 5 लाखाच्या वयर तांकां हे आर्थीक पाठबळ तांचे कुटुंबीय मेळपाक जाय.
Till date, 4 accused have been arrested in this case. The deputy town planner Prakash Bandodkar, contractor Vishwas Desai, the chief officer of Canacona municipality Prashant Shirodkar, and municipal engineer Ajay Naik have been arrested. However, the prime accused, the builder, is still at large. Bureau report, Prudent.
Police have arrested rape-accused security guard after 24 hours of the incident. A 10-year-old girl was allegedly raped by the security guard working with a starred hotel at Bogmalo beach on Monday. History has repeated itself after a year. Police launched a massive manhunt and arrested the suspect.
According to sources, accused Partho Roy was working as a security guard on contract basis with a starred hotel at Bogmalo beach. About 12:30 p.m. on Monday, the accused kidnapped the victim girl from her house, took her to an isolated place away from residential area and sexually assaulted the minor girl.
कचीफ बांधून दोंगरावयल्यान वयले उबारून वयले ते आनी कोणा सांगल्यार न्हय जिते मारतले म्हणून
कोण ओपन
ओ तो सेक्युरिटी
केन्नाची गजाल
ही सकाळी आनी तेणे कोणा सांगना खंय
आता तो गावलो
ना तो तेजो इंचार्ज आहा तो हय हेड आहा तो घेवन तेक परवरी गेल मागीर.
Police is claiming that they are taking necessary action.
रेप केसीचो रिपोर्ट जाल्लो आसा 10 वर्सांचे चलयेचेर. तेजे बद्दल आमी एक टीम धाडलेली आतां बांबोली धाडलेली आसा. तो सेक्युरिटी हांगा बोगमालो कामाक घाललो. तो तेजो डिसअपियर जाला. तेच्या आतां मॅनेजराक आमी घेवन येयल्ले आतां हांवें डिटेन केला. आमचे फर्दर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन इज इन प्रोग्रेस. टीम बा सगळी बांबोली आसा आनी आतां काडला तो फुडलें इंट्रोगेशन चालू आसा.
Agitated locals blocked the road leading to the hotel till late night on Monday. The victim girl has been admitted in Goa Medical College for medical examination and treatment. Daboli MLA Marvin Gudino, after visiting the hotel, met the Vasco police officials. He demanded immediate arrest of the accused security guard.
Rape which has taken place in Bogmalo. The whole village got together as one, and they wanted the strongest action to be taken only not against the rapist, but against the security in charge who allowed him to go, including the owner of the security. The police have assured all the villagers that they will take action under the relevant law and the strictest action.
Mukesh Kumar and Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Acquitted accused in Madgaon blast case has alleged that Goa police falsely implicated them and tortured them to accept their roles in blast case. They said they will soon file a petition before the High Court seeking compensation, and they will also file a complaint before State Police Complaint Authority against police officers. Managing Trustee of Sanatan Sanstha Virendra Marathe has alleged that Congress party was targeting Sanatan to appease Muslim voters.
All 6 acquitted accused in 2009 Madgaon blast case on Tuesday alleged that the Goa police falsely implicated them on the directions of the then Home Minister Ravi Naik. One of the accused, Dhananjay Ashtekar, said that the Goa police tortured them to admit their role in the blast case.
आमच्या अंगावर शॉक दिले गेले. आमच्यापैकी काही जणांना उलटे टांगून मारहाण करण्यात आली. तुम्ही गुन्हा स्वीकारा, अन्यथा तुम्हाला आयुष्यभर तुरुंगात चढावं लागेल अशा धमक्या पोलीस आम्हाला दररोज द्यायचे. या इथे मला लाज वाटते, म्हणजे मी बोलूही शकत नाही अशा घाणेरड्या आणि अर्वाच्य शिव्या या पोलिसांनी आमच्या आई आणि बहिणींना दिल्या आहेत.
Acquitted accused also said that their useful 4 years have been wasted behind bars. They will soon file a petition before the High Court seeking compensation and will also complain before State Police Complaint Authority against the concerned police officers.
आम्ही पोलीस कंप्लेंट अथॉरिटीकडे देखील तक्रार करण्याचा विचार करतो. गोव्याच्या पोलीस कंप्लेंट अथॉरिटीकडे जी आहे माझी माननीय निवृत्त न्यायाधीशांच्या अध्यक्षतेखालीची समिती आहे त्यांच्याकडे देखील आम्ही तक्रार करण्याचा विचार करतो आणि उच्च न्यायालयात कॉम्पन्सेशनसाठी तसंच पुढच्या तपासासाठी अशा 2 वेगळ्या याचिका करण्याचा विचार आहे आणि त्या लवकरच आम्ही करू.
Managing Trustee of Sanatan Sanstha Virendra Marathe alleged that Congress party is targeting Sanatan Sanstha to attract Muslim voters.
मुस्लिम वोटर्स को खुश करने के लिए ये तो अलग अलग ढंग से ऐसे चालू ही रहता है. उनको ज़्यादा स्कीम्स दी जाती है, तो ये भी एक उसका ही प्रकार है कि हिंदुओं को दहशतवादी ठहरा के, आतंकवादी ठहरा के उनका थोड़ा लांगुल चालन जो बोलते हैं ऐसा करना.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Applications are invited by Directorate of Mines and Geology Department from prospective bidders for qualifying to participate in e-auction of the extracted ore in the state. Supreme Court has allowed e-auctioning of approximately 15 million metric tons of extracted iron ore. Department has begun enrollment of bidders for e-auction of extracted iron ore in the state. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.